You see those whitewashed walls, limestone houses, medieval churches, panoramic views, olive groves, vineyards, and the endless views of the sea. Welcome to Ostuni!
Beautiful!
Ostuni is known as the White City of Italy. We're happy to be here.
Yeah, baby! Yeah!
Just look at the picturesque view. That's the Madonna della Grata Church towards the coast of Ostuni. And where we are affords us this view of the city and the Centro Storico. And that's the Santa Maria del Carmelo Church or the Carmine Church. Ostuni is actually nestled on the hills of Brindisi in Puglia. And aside from the olive groves and the vineyards and the seas that surround it, it is also characterized by fortified walls, just like any other medieval village. And there's actually a great reason for that. Do you know that Ostuni is dazzling white because the residents thought that the color white would deflect the enemies approaching the waters of Ostuni? They would be blinded by the color white, and so these enemies wouldn't see them. Clever idea, huh? So that's the other side of the Madonna della Grata Church that we saw from the hill. And look at those rolling fields of greens and the surrounding waters that you can see from this white historic center. These white walls are actually limestone mixed with water, and limestone is abundant in the place. But that's not all there is to Ostuni. As you explore the place, you will discover a labyrinth of walkways, narrow staircases. You are met by a bunch of arches festooned with flowers. So look at me, Anton. Anton, easy naman. So we are taking a lot of staircases here. Look, from there to here, senza fine mai. Going to the basilica. So there you go. My assistant is already tired. So this is another part of Ostuni. There are bazaars here, souvenir shops, ceramic stores. Ostuni produces one of the best and most beautiful ceramics in Europe. Let's explore some more! On the way to the cathedral, you see more shops and curios, such as this one. This is Ostuni by night for you guys, and that's a church turned into a museum, but we have another video about that. So you see, on the way to the cathedral, we saw more decorated walkways, all kinds of lights. Nothing is boring in this place. We had a heyday appreciating those garlands framing the walls and the arches. Every nook and cranny here in Ostuni is pretty. And finally, the Cattedrale di Ostuni. The cathedral rests on top of the highest hill in Ostuni.